Hello, Monkey.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Oh, why is your camera like that? Huh? Can you wipe your camera, Monkey? Can you wipe it, please? I think it's dirty. Oh, you wipe it. You wipe it with a...
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, because I cannot see you clearly. Oh, Monkey, can you put down your camera so I can see your face? Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine too.
Oh. But you go to... But you in so late.
No, teacher is not late. My camera is not working. That's why I have to restart my computer. Okay, up there. It's clear now.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, strawberry.
Have a nice day.
Thanks, ma'am.
Bye.
Okay, so let's begin, Monkey.
Okay.
All right. So for tonight, Monkey, we are having listening activity, okay?
No, we skip this.
Yeah, but this is a new activity. Okay?
No.
This is new. Did we study this one?
Yes.
Are we finished with this one?
Yes.
Oh, wait. I'm gonna check it.
You check your book.
Yeah, wait. Are you sure? Yeah. We're finished with this one. Okay, wait. I will open one more. Wait. Okay, here it is. Ouchie. My feet. Okay, it's opening. Dun. Okay, can you see it now?
Wait for me.
What are you doing?
I'm enter my new name.
Okay. Oh, it's okay? Okay.
I will check that in honest. Okay, it's
What did you say?
I thought, but here's new.
Okay, so this is a new one. Okay, so it's also a listening skill. Okay, so it says here, Monkey, listen and draw lines. There is one example. So again, Monkey, listen first and then later on you're going to draw a line on your answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's begin.
Part 1. Look at part 1. Look at the picture. Listen
Oh, wait.
and look. There is one example.
What a beautiful day! Who are all those children by the school bus?
Mrs. Jones's class are all going on holiday.
There are a lot of children. Who's the boy who's running? He's got a big bag on his shoulder.
That's my friend, Bill.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Who's the girl who's skipping?
The one who's wearing the blue coat?
Yes, I know her, I think, but I don't know her name.
That's Jill.
2.
Okay, so number 1, did you understand number 1, Monkey?
Yes.
I will let you write your answer first. Okay, so put a line first on your answer in number 1. Here's your mouse now.
Hey.
Move it.
Hey. Why he don't color?
You click it first. Click it. Click the mouse.
Hey.
Oh, look at teacher, here. Oh, here, oh. You just click it when you write. Can you see your mouse?
Yes. But you can color, but why I can't?
You look at me, okay? Hold the mouse, click it, and write it.
Hey, why he don't color?
You click it, Monkey. Click it when you color.
But I click.
Or you click it again. Hold it. Click and hold.
Hey.
Click and hold it.
Hey, the dog with you.
There. Oh, what happened? Oh, here's the dot, Monkey. Where? Wait. Okay, here. Can you see it now?
Okay.
I'll put a line on your first answer.
Hey. Why this is not color? I click it.
You click it. Click and hold it.
No, I click. I click it.
Oh,
It's not color.
look at me. Click and write. Click and write. Click and write. Click and write. Oh, try it.
Where's it?
Here.
I will try. What? What's that here? What? What's this? Okay. I finished.
Finish?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, don't move it. Teacher will erase the other lines here. Oh. So here is your answer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have number 2.
And look, there's the teacher, Mrs. Jones. She's putting all the things in the bus.
What's her first name?
It's Mary. You know that, Mom.
Oh, yes. I talk to her in the shop sometimes. Look, she's got a new hat.
Oh, wait.
3.
Okay, so number 2. Okay, here, answer number 2, Monkey.
Okay.
Okay. Next one. Oh. Okay, wait, monkey. Let's have number 3.
Things in the bus.
2,
And look, there's the teacher, Mrs. Jones. She's putting all the things in the bus.
What's her first name?
It's Mary. You know that, Mom.
Oh, yes. I talk to her in the shop sometimes. Look, she's got a new hat.
3,
Who's that? The boy who's taking a picture?
His name's John.
What's the matter with his leg?
He hurt it in the playground last week.
Okay. So here, monkey, answer number 3. Finish?
Finish.
Okay. Now let's have number 4.
4,
Can you see Sally? She's going with them.
No. Which girl is she?
The one who's putting on her jacket.
She's got very long hair.
Yes, she has.
Okay, now answer number 4, monkey.
But what is the jacket?
What? What is it?
What is her jacket?
Where is her jacket?
What is colorful my jacket?
Oh, you draw a line first.
Hey! What's that? Hey!
What did you write?
He can draw.
Oh, wait, I will erase it.
I don't know what's the matter. I don't have that, but it's still right.
Yeah, because you're still holding it. That's why it's writing.
But I cannot see the red.
Here.
Wait for me.
Okay.
What's that? I know this is a dot.
So that's your answer?
No. The girl was who has a blue jacket.
Finish with your answer?
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh.
Let's have number 5.
5,
And look, that's Peter. He's carrying some skates.
What's he pointing at?
The dog. Look. Can you see it?
Yes. It wants to go on holiday with them.
Okay. Wait. So now answer number 5.
Finish.
Finish. Okay, very good. Okay, so now let us check your answers. Okay, number 1. Jill and the girl skipping in a blue coat. Oh, you are wrong, Monkey. You answered it's Sally. Number 2. Mary and the woman standing next to the bus. Okay, correct. John and the boy taking a photo with a plaster on his leg. Okay, correct. Also, next one. Sally and the girl with long hair and a yellow jacket. Oh, that is Sally. Last one. Peter and the blonde boy carrying skates. Okay, so you got 3 points, Monkey. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 points. That's a good score. Okay, now let's have the second activity. Part 2, listen and write. There's one example. You listen and then later on I will ask you questions. Let's begin. Oh no.
Part 2. Listen and look. There is one example.
What have we got to do today?
A lot of things, Dad. We have to buy a video for Mum.
Right. Where can we buy one?
At the supermarket.
OK, a video. You can choose it.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Now, there's another thing I must buy at the supermarket. Oh, what is it?
A new toothbrush.
Yes, that's right. A toothbrush for the baby.
No, Dad. For Mum. The new baby hasn't got any teeth.
2.
Shall we buy some flowers for Mum?
Well, how about a plant?
OK. She'd like a plant better, I think.
Fine.
3.
Then we have to go to the library.
The library? Why?
Because I need some books for my homework.
OK.
4.
Right. After that, we can go to the hospital.
Yes. We must take some towels.
Oh, yes. How many does Mum need?
4 towels. 2 for her and 2 for the baby.
Okay,
5.
there's one more.
Now, the last thing. Mum needs her glasses.
Yes. Now be careful, Dad. You must take her new ones. Don't take her old ones.
Oh, thank you. Yes, she needs her new glasses.
Good. Now, have you got your coat?
Yes.
Come on then. I want to see the baby.
Okay, so now let's answer Monkey number. So number 1, what do you think is the answer? A new
Toothbrush.
Okay, let's write. You tell me your answer and the teacher will write it. So a new toothbrush. Okay, wait, I will type. Toothbrush. Okay, so how about the next one, Monkey? And a toothbrush and
But where's the library? No, it's the words we have.
what is your answer? Toothbrush and
It's the words we have.
again, what is that?
But where's the word we have?
Our work.
Words we have.
So here, then go to what do you think? Do you want to listen one more time, please?
No, I cannot see some fine answer.
So, what's your answer in the other blanks here? What are your answers here?
I don't know.
Oh, you said library, right?
No.
What did you say? So at the hospital, Monkey. Oh, in the hospital, what does mom needs?
Plants.
Mom needs for
Plants.
plants?
Only no.
What?
No. Plants only.
For plus like that?
Yeah.
Is that correct?
No.
Oh, what is the spelling? Can you tell me?
A two. Two.
And her towel.
No.
What? Oh, you say it clearly. I cannot understand it, please.
That is until we have to plant. Two is plants.
A new toothbrush and
Plants.
plants. Like this one?
Yes.
Okay, so how about number 3?
Then go to the library.
Okay, at the hospital, number 4.
Mom needs for towel. No.
And then, number 5.
And her new glasses.
New glasses, like this?
Yes.
Okay, so let's check. Here, number 1, toothbrush and plant. Correct. Next one, library, towels, and glasses. Very good, Monkey. Wow. Oh, I thought you didn't understand it, but you got the perfect score. See? I'm so happy. Very good, Monkey. Okay, so here, next one. So here it says here, part 3. What did Paul do last weekend?
Here is what is new. Why was this is still here?
This is new, Monkey.
No, but why this five this was here? Oh?
Where?
Okay, you erase it.
Yeah, I erase it. Okay, so that's an example. So what did Paul do last weekend? Listen and draw a line to the correct picture. There is one example. Okay, let's try.
Part 3. Look at the pictures. What did Nick do last week? Listen and look. There is one example.
So, Nick, do you like your new house?
Oh, yes. The garden's great and I like my bedroom. But there was a lot to do there last week.
Did you have a party?
Yes. We had it in the garden on Saturday. A lot of people came.
Can you see the line from the word Saturday? On Saturday, Nick's family had a party. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
What did you do on Monday?
Mum and I went to the shops to choose a new television.
Did you find one?
Yes, it's great. It's better than the old one.
2.
On Thursday, we painted the windows. Oh no, it was Wednesday.
What colour are they?
Blue. It was difficult. I got paint on my new T-shirt.
Well, you can wash it.
Three.
Tuesday was great.
Tuesday? Why?
Well, it was very sunny and we all worked in the garden.
Were you tired in the evening?
Yes, I was.
Four.
What did you do on Sunday?
I don't know. Oh yes, I watched television in the evening.
Oh? What did you see?
A film about a family. They find a tiger in their garden.
Five.
What about Friday?
Well, I wanted to do some painting, but I had to help Mum with the washing.
Oh, no. Well, was it a sunny day?
No, it was very windy and it rained in the afternoon.
Now listen to part 3 again.
Okay, so let's answer now. Okay, Monkey, what did Paul do on Monday?
On Monday,
Yes.
Paul and Mom go to the shop buy the new television.
Okay, they went to the new... What?
Hey, I cannot click it.
Teacher will be the one to click it. Okay, just tell me your answer. Now, Monkey, where did Paul went on Monday?
Is go to the shop.
To buy?
Buy a new television.
Okay, how about Tuesday, Monkey?
Tuesday, work on the garden.
Okay, this one. How about Wednesday?
Painting a window blue.
Thursday?
No,
Friday?
helping Mom. Buy some Saturday. No, Sunday.
Sunday?
Watching TV about the family see the tiger in the garden.
Okay, so let's check, Monkey, if you got a perfect score. Okay, wait. So here is here is Tuesday. Tuesday, you are correct. Next one is Monday, you are correct. Sunday is correct also. Wednesday and Friday is also correct. Good job, Monkey. Wow. It's so amazing. 5 points again. Oh, now let's see. Listen and then tick the box. There is one example. So let's see. I will tick a box. You have to answer.
Part 4. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. What does the man want to buy?
Good morning. Do you have maps in this shop?
No, I'm sorry. We only have books and comics here.
Oh.
Try the shop down the road. You can buy them there, I think.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What did the boy wash?
I washed some of the things in the kitchen, Mum.
Oh, good. The cups were very dirty. Did you wash them?
Oh, I didn't see them. But the glasses are clean now.
Well, thank you. Now, can you put those bowls in the cupboard, please?
2. What did Sue buy?
We didn't have any bread for breakfast this morning. I went to the market and bought some.
Good. And we needed some coffee. Did you buy any?
Sorry, no, I didn't. But I bought some fruit.
Oh, right.
3. What's the baby doing?
Oh, it's good to be home. Oh, look at the baby. He's trying to take off his shoes.
He doesn't like them.
I know. And he's hungry. I must cook his supper. Can you read him a story?
Okay, Aunt Jane.
Okay, so number 1, Monkey. What did the boy wash?
Glasses.
Okay, letter C. Number 2, what did Sue buy?
Fruits and bread.
Letter
C.
Very good. Number 3, what is the baby doing?
Wearing the shoes.
Yes, very good.
Letter A.
Yeah, very good. So next one, let's continue. Number 4 and 5.
Yes.
4. Where's the cheese?
Where's the cheese? I need it for the sandwiches.
It's in your shopping bag, I think. Or is it on the table?
No, I looked there. Oh, here it is. It's under my bag.
Oh, yes. I didn't see it there. Sorry.
5. Which child is Jim?
Here come the children. And there's my son, Jim.
The boy with the curly hair?
No, that's his friend. Jim's got straight hair and glasses.
Oh, yes. I can see him. He's talking to the boy with the scarf.
That's right.
Okay, so number 4, Monkey. Where is the cheese?
Next to the back.
What letter?
C.
Oh, it's letter B, not C. Uh-oh. Number 5. Which child is Jim?
This is the Jim by the boy has the brown glasses.
Which one? A or B?
B.
Okay, very good. Letter B. So you got 1 mistake, and then your total score is 4. Okay, now, wow, you're going to color, Monkey.
Yes, I like color.
Yeah. So now, let's listen and color. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, what happened?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's listen first. Oh. Okay, let's listen first and then answer later.
Part 5. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
I like coloring. Can I color this picture?
Yes. Can you see the comic on the floor?
Yes. Shall I color it?
Yes, please. Color the comic yellow.
Okay.
Can you see the yellow comic? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and draw. 1.
There's a bear under the bed. Can you see it?
Yes. Can I color it brown?
That's a good color for a bear.
Okay, I'm coloring it now.
Okay, let's wait. Okay, well, anyway, let's not listen to it because we can read what are we going to do. Okay, so number 1, monkey, color the head. Can you read it, please?
What?
Can you read number 1, please?
Color the hair under the bed brown.
I think that's bear, not hair. Okay, I will just fix the color. Okay, here, monkey, can you color the bear under the bed brown?
Okay. Okay.
Wow, wowee. All right, very good. So how about number 2? Can you read it, please?
Color the juice by the glasses by the bed. Color the juice in the glasses by the bed. Red.
Okay, so here is red. Color it now.
Okay.
Okay, next one, number 3. Read it, please.
Color the hair of the boy in the bed. Green.
Okay, here's color green now.
Okay.
Wow, what a long hair. Next one, monkey, number 4. You read number 4.
Color the blanket on the balcony pink.
Okay, so we don't have pink. Let's color it violet. Okay.
Violet. 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 Oh, marshmallow. Marshmallow. Oh.
Wow, that is a very nice blanket. It's color violet now. And last one, monkey.
Draw the moon next to the cloud in the sky.
Okay, so here, draw a moon next to the cloud in the sky. Oh, you click it first. Okay. Is that a moon? I think that looks like an onion. It's like an onion. Okay, now let's check your answers. Oh, why did it's erased?
Hey!
Yeah, wait, why is it erased? Okay, can you draw one more time, monkey?
Okay.
Yeah, because it was erased. I don't know why. And then, okay. Do it again. All right, very good.
Like an apple.
Yeah. So let us check. So the first one is green. You're correct. Next is brown. Next is red. Okay, next is pink, and then there's a moon. Okay, very good, monkey. So you got, oh, why is it not writing? Okay, oh, what happened?
Anyway, I get.
Okay, very good, monkey. You got 5 points here. All right. So now we are finished with the activity for tonight. Okay, monkey? So,
Okay.
I'm going to see you again on Wednesday.
Goodbye.
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 Good night.
Goodbye.